Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a sequence in Apollo.io. Sequences are powerful automation tools that help you streamline your outreach efforts by chaining together emails, calls, and tasks in a structured workflow. Let's walk through the complete process step by step. Start by opening a new browser tab and type in Apollo.io in your address bar. This will take you directly to the Apollo website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Login button. Click on it to access your account. After entering your credentials and logging in successfully, you'll be automatically redirected to your Apollo dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all sales engagement activities. Now that you're in the Apollo dashboard, it's time to navigate to the Sequences feature. Direct your attention to the left navigation menu where all your primary tools and options are organized. Look for a section labeled Engage and click on it. This will expand a drop-down menu revealing additional options. From this drop-down, you'll see the Sequences menu. Click on it to proceed to the Sequences Management area where you can view existing sequences or create new ones. Once you're in the Sequences section, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Create Sequence button. A small window will pop up presenting you with different methods for creating your sequence. You'll see three options here: AI-assisted, templates, or from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll click on From Scratch so we can cover the fundamental basics of building sequences from the ground up. Start by entering a name for your sequence in the provided field. Choose something descriptive that helps you remember the purpose of this sequence later. Next, set the schedule according to when you want these actions to be executed. Once you've configured these initial settings, click on Create to move forward. After your sequence framework is created, you'll need to start adding the actual steps that make up your workflow. Click on the plus Add a Step button and a context menu will appear with several sequence action options. You'll see choices like automatic email, manual email, phone call, action item, and various LinkedIn-related actions. Each option serves different purposes in your outreach strategy. For this tutorial, we'll select manual email as our first step to keep things straightforward. Once you select manual email, an email composition interface will appear on your screen. Here, you'll need to craft your message. Start by entering a compelling subject line that will grab your recipient's attention. Then move to the body section and compose the content of your email. While you're working on the email itself, notice the right side panel where you can select a list or specific group of contacts that you want to target with this initial email sequence. This targeting capability ensures your message reaches the right audience. Once you've finished composing your email and selecting your contacts, click on Save Changes at the top of your screen to lock in this step. Now you can scroll down to continue building your sequence by adding another action. You'll see the same plus Add a Step option again. Simply chain these actions together based on your specific outreach procedure and business needs. You might add a follow-up email after a few days, schedule a phone call reminder, or include an action item for manual tasks. The beauty of sequences is their flexibility in creating a customized workflow that matches your sales process. Once you've added all the steps you need and your sequence is ready to go live, look at the top right corner of your screen and toggle the Activate button. This will start your sequence and begin executing the actions you've configured according to your schedule. You've now successfully created a functional sequence in Apollo.io that will automate your outreach efforts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.